Well, just got done with work, came home, got to reorganize everything a little bit because I've been working a lot, doing a lot with this rig, and it's been working real good. I've been doing my best, but as you can see, it's a little disorganized. But it is what it is. I'm going to fix it up here. Oh, this. That's cool. That's cool. That. Oh, well. That's really cool. Oh, that. What's clicking, chicken? Oh, let's see. What? That works superb. But I cut the line and I'm putting quick disconnects. So here's this, this, that, this drill press that I've been using a lot. Oh man, this thing is a kick-ass rig. I ain't kidding either, man. Everything I want is on this thing and it works. Good. Oh, Lincoln welder. This. Oh, this. I had to move that back out an inch or so because I was a 32nd off on my figurines, and this box I jackknifed a little bit and it barely scraped it there and there. Barely. But I drilled the holes and I reamed them out so they were perfect. And that fits on there now. It's an inch out and it won't, even if it jackknifes all the way, this box ain't going to touch the truck. And thank God I did the good figuring because I really didn't want to bust the tail light out. So I just lucked up, I guess. But anyways, it's cool shit. Oh. That's cool shit.